Wow!
She's in yellow.
Pretty in yellow with her raccoon eye. Raccoon eyes pa yung tawag siya.
Raccoon eyes.
But hindi yung shadow ng mata niya. Kasi sa makeup world, may tawag sa ganyan eyeshadow.
So, may wala ko lang sa makeup world. Hi, Chloe. How are you this evening?
How are you?
I'm feeling no pressure at all.
No pressure.
I'm feeling no pressure.
Chloe.
Gusto mo ma-pressure? Ayan,
I-pressure natin siya.
Alright, so Eunice, please get your question.
Get your question card.
Guys, bago nyo ba sa akin, just to remind you, there are only exact questions for the contestants. So you don't have to worry, hindi siya nare-recycle. They all have unique questions.
Okay, Chloe, your question is, what is your stand about cyberbullying? I'll repeat the question for you. What is your stand about cyberbullying?
I'm against cyberbullying, and because I think cyberbullying is a serious matter and nobody has the right to bully or intimidate someone or make someone or humiliate someone. For the past few years, there's been records about suicidal attempts because they are being bullied. And I haven't been a victim of this cyberbullying, and I don't want to experience being bullied. And one thing I can say to all those cyber bullies out there, the golden rule states that do not do unto others what you don't want others to do unto you. So don't bully someone.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Chloe, for the answer.
For the very wonderful answer and for the green contact lens that she's wearing.
Kaya pala raccoon eyes gets